Is StashAway a bank account? A question that's probably crossed your mind if you've been considering investing or simply looking for a safer place for your money. Let's dive right in. StashAway isn't your traditional bank. It's an investment platform that uses algorithms to invest your money in a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds. Think of it as a robo-advisor, a digital financial advisor that can help you reach your financial goals. Key differences between StashAway and a bank account. Investment versus savings. Bank account, primarily for savings, offering easy access to your funds. StashAway, designed for long-term investment with the goal of growing your wealth over time. Risk and return. Bank account, generally considered low risk, offering minimal returns. StashAway involves some level of investment risk, but the potential for higher returns. Regulation and insurance. Bank account, regulated by the Central Bank of Nigeria and insured by the Nigeria Deposit Insurance Corporation, NDIC. StashAway, regulated by the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, and adheres to strict investment guidelines. Fees and charges. Bank account often involves various fees, such as maintenance fees, transfer fees, and ATM charges. StashAway charges a management fee, which is typically a percentage of your invested amount. Why choose StashAway over a traditional bank account? Diversification. StashAway automatically diversifies your investments across different asset classes, reducing risk. Professional management, leveraging advanced algorithms and expert insights. Accessibility, easy to set up and manage your investments through a user-friendly app. Flexibility, you can choose from various investment plans tailored to your risk tolerance and financial goals. The bottom line. While StashAway and a bank account serve different purposes, they can complement each other in your overall financial strategy. If you're looking to grow your wealth over the long term, StashAway can be a valuable tool. However, it's essential to understand the risks involved and to choose an investment plan that aligns with your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.